Our group is the Jaja Foundation. It's Jamaicans abroad helping Jamaicans at home. And we're a team of medical doctors, nurses, dentists. And we come and do volunteer work here on the island.
Yes, big them up. Jaja Foundation. Jaja. All right. Keep doing what you're doing. All right. We appreciate it.
Bring him up. Man up, dude.
And you decorated my heart by painting your love all over my heart. You decorated my love. My life was a kingdom while I was playing pure and right. Till you moved in the street, changing me now and then, till the battle was right. And then you had it so easy. What a simple surprise. And every note was inside. By the look in your eyes, by the look on your face. And you decorated my life by giving you love all over my heart, decorated my life. Thank you.
I really have to ask. Is there a place hopeless sinners who have hurt all mankind just to save his own? What about our heart? Let's get together and feel alright. Hear the children crying. Hear the children crying. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright.
Nation, straight. God bless.